Alex here, and I'm going to show you the quick process of sending information from Rhino back to Skema utilizing the Skema to Rhino plugin. Now, first thing I'm going to send over is a building plot, which I created in Rhino just with a polyline tool. So I can simply select this, and now let's pop over to Skema to bring it in. Now in Skema, I'm going to go to my Rhino plugin, have my construction site selected, and receive the building plot. Now, you can see within a second the building plot gets generated from Rhino into Skema. Now let's hop back and grab the massing. Now I'm going to select my massing that I want to bring over. Now, a little pro tip, you can either split up the floors within the massing in Rhino itself, or you can do that within Skema if you're just doing a massing study in Rhino. Either way is supported. But let's pop over to Skema and bring in my massing. And it's the same process as before. I'm going to go in, select building, receive my information, and within a second or so, I get my massing from Rhino generated in Skema. And now I have the exact massing I want. And now I'm ready to use my design catalog to generate layouts within Skema.